Hello everybody and welcome back to our beauty series. Today we are going to cover many problems about the eyes, hernia, festones and swelling. There can be endless amount of things causing swelling, from nutrition and chronic illnesses to wrong body posture and overcontracted neck muscle. Swelling under the eyes is an accumulation of excessive liquid in the area of the orbital bones. Hernia is extended through the circular eye muscle fat tissue. Another point about hernia is that its extent also depends on the swelling, since fat accumulates excessive liquid and increases in size. And last but not least, festones. Those are extended through the cheekbone and eye ligaments fat tissue. Visually, they appear as bags on the cheekbones. They also get worse from bad liquid circulation. Festones can be a congestional characteristic and signs of those can be seen from the childhood. In this case, you cannot fully get rid of them, but if they appeared recently, you can work with them. You should work on them in a complex. I have already told you that circular eye muscle is surrounded by many others. Forehead and temple muscle are responsible for droopy eyelid, and muscles of the middle of your face for deformation of the under eye area. Normal functioning and tonus of the cheekbone muscle is interrupted and festones move down your face. Movement of the tissue as well as bad lymph circulation press and deform tissue that are located under them. A solution to this is lymphatic drainage as well as training of the circular eye muscle. As always in our beauty series, we are going to start from the right body posture exercises as well as massage of aponeurosis and your skull. And for the good liquid circulation, you add a lymphatic drainage. You're going to boost your lymph nodes starting from the ones around the ears. With 2 fingers of your hands, massage your lymph nodes in soft circular motions. It is super important to be very gentle and soft while working on your lymph nodes. And now move on to lymph nodes above the collarbones. Put backside of your hand above the collarbones. Take a deep breath in. While breathing out, bring your shoulders together and press your fingers above the collarbones. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Now move on to getting rid of excessive liquid from your face. This exercise is very effective and influences all structures of your face. It softens fascia, elongates the muscles, and moves the cheekbones apart, since with years they get closer to each other. This exercise will also let you elongate your eye ligament, which shows out the festones. So, shall we begin? For this exercise, you will need a face oil. It should be enough of it to ensure good gliding. Apply your oil and put your hands in a way that your pointing fingers would be on both sides of your nose and your thumbs under your chin. Press your hands against your face and putting some pressure, slide them apart. Stop on your lymph nodes and slide down along your neck. Repeat it 3 to 5 times. Next exercise you have already seen in the complex, again droopy eyelid, and it will also help for the area under your eyes. Lift the eyebrow up and with the fingers of another hand, slightly squeezing it, massage the area of your cheekbone. Try to soften the muscle around the eye as much as possible. This exercise is also very good against crow's feet, since your circular muscle relaxes and it helps to smooth the wrinkles. Considering the fact that festones and hernia are quite hard to get rid of, I would suggest you do at least 50 tapping motions in order to soften fat tissue and smoothen the skin. And the next exercise for softening of the cheekbone and eye ligaments that show off the festones. You need to tap two of your fingers deep into the tissue and move them apart. Then move 1 centimeter away and move your fingers apart again. With your motions, you're like elongating this ligament. Repeat it along the whole cheekbone. Tap and move it apart. With the help of this exercise, you actually smooth the area of the festone. Since hernia is fat tissue that is showing off through the circular eye muscle, you need to strengthen this muscle. For that, you're going to do the following exercise. Put 2 fingers on the side of your eyes. One of them prevents you from getting a wrinkle around the eye, and the other one, wrinkle right under the eye. Fixate your fingers in the corners of the eyes, look up, and try to close your eyes, pulling your lower eyelid up. During this exercise, you should feel how your muscles contract. Repeat it 20 times in 3 sets. Doing these exercises as a complex will definitely help you decrease under eye swelling, hernia, and festones. You should also remember to drink enough water, approximately 30 milliliters per kilo of your body mass. As well as, it's better to finish your dinner 3 hours before sleep, so that your body spends the energy on recovery and cleansing, and not on digestion processes. Lack of water and late dinner usually cause swelling on your face. One key factor for your eye treatment. Any eye cream that you use, you should apply not later than 2 hours before sleeping, since they attract liquid and increase swelling under the eyes. If this video was interesting for you, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and recommend it to your friends. All the links to the videos that I mentioned you will find in the description below.